Hey guys, welcome to my channel Refresh for You, where we refer and you prefer. So today I am going to unbox you a camera stand which I bought from eBay for Rs 665. That is Simpex 333 tripod camera stand for Nikon cameras, mobile phones, etc. On the top we had here the delivery address, and the seller is from New Delhi, and on this side we had some bill. I hope so it was paper, I hope so it was bill invoice copy. Let me open this. Yeah, as I said to you before, it was a bill I purchased for 665 including the shipping charges, which was a prepaid. That's all, keeping it apart. So this is the box. Packing was pretty okay, and so without any delay, let me unbox it. Inside we also had other box. Oops. That's all, nothing else in this box. So this is a Simpex 333 camera stand. The box was pretty damaged. But let me see the product inside. Simpex 333 tripod stand with water level indicator. On this side we had this one. This is for photo source. Tripods are specifically designed for today's cameras. Strong, durable, everything. It has a 5-year warranty. Put yourself in this picture. On this side also we had the same thing, and we had some features here: 3-way, pan head and auto lock, quick release, pan handle tension, bubble level and fine adjustments. And on this side we had gear center column with friction control. Let me see inside. Let it had 3-section lock dialing radially, braced legs with self-leveling rubber feet, quick level legs for fast and easy setup, and we can extend this height up to 135 centimeters. That is 1.35 meters, and closed height is of 53 centimeters. It means the height of this box is around 53 centimeters. And weight, it can be weight of this tripod stand is 0.88 kgs, and it can withstand with the camera having up to 3000 grams, that is 3 kgs. So without any delay, let me open this too. Yeah, that's all, nothing else in this box. So we had a bubble packing. It is not entirely covered. I hope it is covered for this junction itself. Let me remove this. We had very good pouch for this camera stand. So let me open this. So this is the camera stand. Finally, we got this camera stand. Yeah guys, this was a camera stand. Let me keep this apart. Entire here. Let me take this pouch up. And here we had a water level indicator, and this is a clip, and this is a screw to fit your camera. We had rubber seal here, and yeah. So here we go. We had a camera stand. You can go up. So let me open this too. So keeping this apart, let me open. Let me open the third leg also. The build quality of this stand is okay. Guys, this is the maximum height. So it is around 1.35 meters itself. We had your camera stand with, here we can adjust with this. Yeah guys, here we can place the camera on the top. Here we can place the camera with water level indicator, and by losing the screws we can rotate this with landscape or portrait if you fix a camera, and we can lock here. And for this auto rotation we have to open this. That's all. And we can fix this. You can lose this for top to bottom, and this one is to right to left, and you can lock this. You can lock this too. And then later, for increasing of your height, you have to use this. Let me rotate it. That's all. And you can increase this height till more as you wish, so that this is the maximum where, let me open this, yeah, it's falling here. Yeah, till here you can increase your height. It's possible. Yeah, not till here. You can increase your height till this much. Simpex photo and video 333 stand, and yeah, nothing. This is the last. I hope so. The rubber one is missing, but it's okay. And yeah, guys, that's all. Build quality was made with aluminium also, and yeah, it's aluminium, and it's light in weight, which is easily carryable and which is easily durable. And yeah, we had something like clip model. We had a clip type. Outside is meant for zooming purposes. So let me show you water bubble indicator. If I place this one like this or like this, and let me unlock this, sorry, lock this. So let me unlock, I'll just lock this. So it was not straight. It was not straight. Yeah, if I go down, it is at the end. It means it is not straight. So if I bring it to the middle, let me adjust this too. Yeah, now the camera tripod stand is straight. So this was the main advantage of this type of tripods, which has a water level indicator, which is very good, and this is increasing. Thanks for watching guys. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.